Well, here we are, folks. Saugus, Massachusetts, just outside of Boston, 10 miles north of Boston. We're in a northeast snowstorm. Looks like we're going to have a white Christmas. So far, we've got, let me see, 7 inches going on 8. Let me see here. Temperature, it's around, right around 20, 21. It's cold out here. That's pretty. Plow's been by a couple times. It's supposed to snow for probably a little afternoon. I got to get out and snowball so I can get out of here, but it's a light, fluffy snow, real light and fluffy. If you look at the cross section of a railing, it's probably 7, 8 inches. It kind of jives with the snow gauge. This is what it looks like, pretty. I don't look forward to going out there, but it'll look nice when it's done. Alright, I gotta go in and have a cup of coffee. So all you people seeing this, this is it, New England. Well, what do you expect? It's wintertime. Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye-bye.